Hey everyone, this is Mr. Orris. I wanted to share a few quick notes with you about turning in your website or your web page assignment. So I'm on one of my pages, and the first thing I wanted to remind you is just because you add something to your page, that doesn't mean that anyone can view it. So for example, if I wanted to add a document that I've been working on to my website, that doesn't mean when I add it, everybody's going to be able to see it. I'm going to insert this into my portfolio. And it's great because it looks fine to me, but the problem with this is when I open it, see it. Notice the share permissions, it says it's private. It's got a lock. Only I can see it. So anything you put on your site, whether it's a doc or a slides or a sheet, you want to make sure you go in your share permissions and turn on link sharing. Now, anyone at Cuyahoga Falls with the link can view it. So when you hit done, now on my page, it's not only there where I can see it, but it's there where anybody else could see it too. Okay? Then finally, in order to turn in your website to your teacher, you have to first publish your website. So in the upper right, I'm going to click Publish. When you publish your site, it gives you the option of using the existing address or creating a new one. I have my existing address as technology integration because that's the name of my page, but you can change that. And you could also manage who can see your site. And this is really important too. You want to make sure that you have the setting that says anyone at Cuyahoga Falls, meaning your teachers or your classmates. So you'd want this option right here. Anyone at Cuyahoga Falls can find and view your published version. So when I hit save and done, now I have a published site. And what you'll get is you'll get a pop-up at the bottom that says your site has been published. You can view it. Or when it's done publishing, I'll show you in the upper right, a drop-down arrow will appear that you could always click on that link and open up your published site. So there's our published. You can click view, or when that goes away, this drop-down always has the option to change your publish settings, unpublish it, or there's your view publish site. So when this page loads, now I'm looking at it just like any other viewer would. And remember, you might have the right permissions to view an embedded document, but everybody else needs it too, so they can see what's loading here. So this link, I'm going to copy, and when I go to Google Classroom, just for an example, you're going to add a link to your assignment and paste it in. And this is how you turn in your Google site as your project. Okay? Good luck. I can't wait to see them.